checking in at the hotel?
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
Wonderful. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Mark Wilson.
Thank you. Let me check the computer.
I booked a single room for 2 nights.
Yes, I can see your booking here.
Great. I leave on Friday morning.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. I will return it soon.
No problem. Take your time, please.
Your room number is 305 on the 3rd floor.
Does the room have a city view?
Yes, it has a beautiful view of the park.
Wonderful.
Is there anything else you would like to know about your stay?
Yes. Is Wi-Fi free in the hotel?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free for all guests.
What is the password, please?
The password is sunrise2025, all in lowercase letters.
Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Where is the breakfast room located?
It is on the ground floor next to the lobby.
Perfect. Is there a lift in the hotel?
Yes, the lift is just behind you.
Good. My suitcase is very heavy today.
Would you like some help with your luggage?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Marco will carry your bag upstairs.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, our restaurant opens at 6 in the evening.
Can I order food to my room tonight?
Of course. Room service is available until 11 o'clock.
Wonderful. How do I call room service?
Just dial number 9 from your room phone.
Perfect.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Marco will help you now.
Doctor consultation. General health. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning, thank you.
What brings you here today?
I have not been feeling well.
I am sorry to hear that. When did it start?
About a week ago.
What symptoms are you having?
I feel very tired all the time.
Even after sleeping?
Yes, even after sleeping.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours.
That should be normally enough.
Yes, that is why I came.
Any other symptoms?
Yes, I sometimes have headaches.
How often do you get them?
2 or 3 times a week.
I see. Anything else?
Yes, I feel a bit dizzy when I stand up quickly.
Are you eating well?
Not really. I'm busy with work.
How many meals a day do you eat?
Maybe 2 meals a day.
That is not enough.
I know.
And are you drinking enough water?
Probably not.
That can cause your symptoms.
Really?
Yes, very common. You should drink more water.
How much should I drink?
About 8 glasses a day.
I will try that.
Also, eat 3 balanced meals.
Okay, I understand.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Of course.
It is a little low, but still okay.
That's good to hear.
I will also do a blood test.
All right.
We'll have the results in 3 days.
Okay, I will wait.
No medicine for now. We will see the results first.
Got it.
If you feel worse, come back immediately.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Food delivery order.
Hello. I would like to order food for delivery, please.
Of course. What would you like to order?
I would like one chicken pizza.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, one bottle of water.
Okay. Anything else with your order?
Do you have fries?
Yes, we do.
Then I will take a small fries.
Great. Any sauce?
No, thank you.
All right.
Can I have the delivery address?
Yes, please tell me.
It is 14 Green Avenue, apartment 2B.
Thank you. And your name?
My name is Tom.
Thank you, Tom.
How long will it take?
About 30 to 40 minutes.
That is fine.
Do you want to pay now or at the door?
I will pay by card at the door.
That is possible.
Can you repeat my order?
Yes. One medium chicken pizza, small fries, and a bottle of water.
That is correct.
Your total is $15.
Okay, sounds good.
Please keep your phone nearby.
Will the driver call me?
Yes, if needed.
All right, thank you.
Your order is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Gym membership sign up.
Good morning, and welcome to the gym.
Good morning. I want to join the gym.
Wonderful. What membership are you interested in?
What options do you have?
We have monthly and yearly plans.
How much is the monthly plan?
It is $40 per month.
And the yearly plan?
It is $400. You save money with it.
That sounds like a better deal.
Yes, it is almost 2 months free.
Then I will take the yearly one.
Great choice. What does it include?
Yes. What is included?
All gym equipment and group classes.
What classes do you offer?
We have yoga, Pilates, and spinning.
That is a good variety.
We also have a swimming pool.
A swimming pool too?
Yes, and a sauna as well.
That sounds perfect.
Do you need a trainer?
Yes, I'm a beginner.
You get one free session each month.
That is very helpful.
What time do you prefer to come?
In the mornings.
Mornings are usually quieter.
That is perfect for me.
Please fill out this form.
Okay, I'm writing it now.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Great. I'll register you.
How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
That's fast.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment accepted. Here is your membership card.
Thank you so much.
You can start today if you want.
I will start tomorrow morning.
Welcome to the gym.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hair salon appointment.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the salon.
Good afternoon. I have an appointment.
What is your name, please?
My name is John.
Yes, I see you here at 3 o'clock.
That is correct.
Please come this way. What would you like today?
I would like a haircut, please.
How short would you like it?
Short on the sides, but a little longer on top.
That is a very popular style.
Yes, I like to style it that way.
Shall I wash your hair first?
Yes, please.
How is the water temperature?
It feels very nice.
Great. I will use a men's shampoo.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
Very relaxed. My week was really stressful.
Then this is a good break for you.
Yes, exactly. All right, please sit back in the chair. Okay, I will start cutting now. Sure. Do you have any plans this weekend? Just dinner with friends. What about you? A quiet weekend at home. That sounds nice. Yes, Friday is always busy here. I can imagine. All done. What do you think? It looks wonderful. Thank you.
You are welcome. That will be $25.
Here is $30. Keep the change.
Thank you so much. I will come back next month. Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Healthy diet discussion.
Hi, Mark. You look very healthy these days.
Thank you, Anna. I am trying to eat better now.
Oh, really? What are you doing differently?
I eat more vegetables and less fast food.
That sounds like a good change.
Yes, I feel better when I eat simple food.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, bread, and some fruit.
That sounds healthy and easy.
Yes, and I drink tea instead of soda.
I drink too much soda sometimes.
Many people do, but water is better.
I want to change my habits too.
You can start with small changes.
Like what kind of small changes?
Maybe drink more water every day.
That sounds easy enough.
And try fruit as a snack instead of chips.
I usually eat chips in the afternoon.
Then an apple could be a good replacement sometimes.
That is a smart idea.
Do you cook at home often?
Not really. I eat out a lot.
Home-cooked food is usually healthier and cheaper.
That is true. I should cook more.
You don't need difficult recipes.
What do you cook at home?
Mostly rice, soup, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds simple and nice.
Yes, simple food is good for daily life.
Do you eat sweets often?
Not every day, but sometimes I eat chocolate.
I like that you still enjoy sweets.
A healthy diet should still feel normal.
I often eat dinner very late.
That might affect your routine.
I know. I need to change that.
You can adjust slowly, step by step.
Thanks. Your advice is really helpful.
You're welcome. We can improve together.
Hotel air conditioning problem.
Good evening. I have a problem in my room.
Good evening. I am very sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The air conditioning is not working.
Oh no, that is not good. What is your room number?
It is room 412.
Thank you. I will check the system right away.
Please do. It is getting very hot in here.
I understand. When did it start?
About 1 hour ago.
Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, I tried twice.
And it still does not work?
No, it is still broken.
All right. I will call a technician immediately.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
That is very fast. Thank you.
We are really sorry for the inconvenience.
It is okay. These things happen.
Thank you for your understanding.
Is there anything I can do while I wait?
Yes. Would you like to wait in the lobby?
Is the lobby cooler?
Yes, it is air-conditioned and comfortable.
That sounds perfect.
I can also offer you a cold drink.
Yes, please. Just water.
Of course.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I will wait here then.
I will come get you when the room is ready.
That is very kind.
The technician has finished the repair now.
Already? That was quick.
Yes, it was a small issue.
Is the room cool again?
Yes, everything is working now.
Great. Thank you so much.
Have a comfortable night.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hotel breakfast experience.
Good morning. Is the breakfast room open now?
Good morning. Yes, it is open for all guests.
What time does breakfast close today?
It closes at 10 every morning.
Perfect. I have enough time then.
Yes, please come in and take a seat anywhere.
Thank you. Can I sit here by the window?
Of course, that is a great choice.
The view looks very nice.
Yes, the garden is beautiful in the morning.
Do you serve coffee or tea?
Yes, both. What would you like?
Coffee, please, with a little milk.
I will bring it right away.
Thank you. Is this your hotel breakfast buffet?
Yes, it is a buffet over there.
Oh, I see a lot of food.
Yes, we have many options every day.
What food do you have today?
Eggs, bacon, bread, fruit, and yogurt.
That sounds very good.
We also have cheese and ham.
Are the eggs fresh?
Yes, they came from a local farm this morning.
That is great. I will try them.
Here is your coffee with milk.
It smells wonderful.
Would you like orange juice as well?
Yes, a small glass, please.
Of course.
This breakfast is really nice.
I am glad you like it.
The bread is very fresh.
We bake it every morning.
That makes a big difference.
Yes, we try to keep high quality.
I am very full now.
That is good to hear.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
International bank transfer.
Good morning. I need some help, please.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I want to transfer some money.
Of course. Is it a local or international transfer?
International, please.
To which country?
To France.
How much would you like to send?
$500.
All right. I will need some information from you.
Yes, I have everything ready.
Good. Can I have the recipient's full name, please?
His name is Pierre Martin.
Thank you. Do you have his bank details?
Yes, here they are on this paper.
Perfect. Let me check. Everything looks correct.
Great. Is everything okay?
Yes, it all seems fine. There is just a small fee.
How much is the fee?
It is $15.
That is reasonable. How long will it take?
About 2 to 3 business days.
Okay, that is fine. Can I get a receipt?
Of course. It's a good habit to keep them.
Yes, my parents always told me that.
That is very wise of them.
Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, please sign here.
All right, done.
And one more signature here, please.
Okay, here you go.
Perfect. How would you like to pay?
From my account, please.
Can I have your account number?
Yes, I will write it down now.
Thank you. Is that everything?
Almost. Is the transfer complete now?
Yes, it's done. Your brother in France will receive it soon.
Oh, that's nice. Actually, he is my brother.
Oh, really? That's wonderful.
Yes, he lives in Paris now. I want to visit him.
You should. Paris is a beautiful city.
Maybe next summer. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.